Hello friends, myself Dr. Veena Sakardande here with my YouTube channel, that is Veena's Academic Realm, and this is a nursing education related channel. So today we are going to see about the introductory or orientation part, that is a part 1 from Medical Surgical Nursing 1. So let us start with the topic. So let us start with today's topic from Medical Surgical Nursing. Medical Surgical Nursing is a subject divided into two parts actually according to syllabus. The Medical Surgical Nursing 1 and Medical Surgical Nursing 2. Medical Surgical Nursing is a heart of nursing education. It is said to be a heart of nursing education in which the complete disease process is studied. It includes the starting of definition of disease till the health education, counseling and rehabilitation and home care of the patient. The main goal of this subject is to acquire the knowledge, develop skill, make students capable, confident, skillful to provide a quality care to the patient in medical surgical diseases in different areas like wards, critical care unit, hospitals and community. If you see the part 1 from Medical Surgical Nursing 1, there is a theory part and the practical part. So what we are going to see under the Medical Surgical Nursing 1, so according to curriculum, first role of nurse in different setting like critical care unit, that is ICU, CCU, neuro ICU, different wards, medical surgical wards, OPDs, then operation theaters, then pre-operative nursing management, intraoperative nursing management, post-operative nursing management, and symptomatic nursing management for common clinical features when patient comes to the emergency unit and OPD. Continuation with these, nursing management of patient with different disorder, like we are going to see and discuss about the respiratory problems, cardiovascular system disorders, integumentary system disorders, digestive system, blood disorders, renal system disorders, endocrine system, musculoskeletal system, immunological system, communicable disease and care of mainly elderly under the Medical Surgical Nursing 1. The Medical Surgical Nursing part 1 and then part 2, that is A and then B, which we are going to see the practical aspects when student goes to the clinical area and they have to give care to the patient. So first initially they have to take the history of the patient, general physical examination, specific examination like nursing assessment for different system, assist and perform different diagnostic procedure like blood collection, then collection of urine and all these things, emergency nursing care, then application of nursing process. Whenever the care is given to the patient, application of nursing process is very much important. Health education, home care and medical surgical asepsis. Also they will be studying different role under the administration of medication like IV therapy, IM injection, subcutaneous injection. There are different methods of giving or administration of medications. Then oxygen therapy, nebulization, steam inhalation, feedings, then assisting for the common diagnostic procedure and therapeutic procedure, then recording and reporting, which is a vital part of nursing role, maintaining the records of the patient record, administrative record related to patient, then procedures related to elimination, then procedures related to like ICU when they are working in the ICU, like care of patient on ventilator, defibrillator, crash cart. There are many things in the ICU. Role in the sterilization, infection control measures, and biomedical waste management role. So these all, and there are many more theory and practical aspect we are going to deal with through my channel. Then if you see the part 2 from medical surgical nursing, again it is divided into part A and part B. Part A will be with the theory and part B will be with the practical aspect. Under the theory of medical surgical nursing 2, according to their curriculum, role of nurse in different setting, again ICU, neuro ICU, wards, oncology unit specifically, OPDs and operation theatre, which will include pre-operative, intraoperative, post-operative care, rehabilitation of the patient, symptomatic nursing management for the common clinical features, and then nursing management for patient with the neurological disorders, then disorders of ear, eye, throat, then female reproductive system disorders, patient with burns, how we are going to deal with the cancer patient, assessment, management of disaster, and mainly care of patient, elderly patient basically, and the critically ill patient. When we see the practical aspect of medical surgical too, basically it includes like neurology, oncology, disaster management, critical care management, care of elderly. So where it includes history taking, general examination, then specific examination, again as assessment of patient with neurological problems, ear, nose, throat, then female reproductive system disorders, patient with burns, then cancer patient, then assessment of the disaster, care of disaster, elderly patient, then they will be working in a critical care unit. So how you are going to assess the patient, how they are going to take the care of patient in ICU, critical care unit, assist and perform diagnostic procedures, then emergency nursing management, then emergency, like they will be working in EMD, emergency unit, medical ward, surgical ward, ICU, OT. So they will be a expert after the developing the skill to give the quality care to the patient. Even they will be applying the nursing process whenever they are providing the care to the patient, and then health education, home care, and rehabilitation of the patient. Also, during this practical session, we are going to see some of the procedures as a practical aspect. Very simple and small procedure related to nursing, basically nursing procedures, which will be helping the student to understand very easily. So like installation of eye drop, which is very common procedure, tracheostomy care, then assessment with GCS, Glasgow Coma Scale, dressing of the patient, basically burn patient if it is there, or common wound dressing, breast examination, then TNM classification for the cancer patient, and assisting and performing for chemotherapy and radiotherapy, pain management basically in oncology and then other disorders. Then next is a monitoring of the patient in ICU, when patient is on the ventilator, defibrillator, patient need CPR, there's pacemaker. So there are so many critical patients are admitted, so care of the patient. The nursing care of patient on basically like infusion pump, how to calculate the dose and how it should be administered, different emergency medications. Then there are many more topics from medical surgical 1 and 2, theory and practical. So I will be dealing with and uploading the videos related to all these medical surgical aspects and sessions in my YouTube channel, that is Veena's Academic Curriculum for Medical Surgical Nursing 1 and 2. Thank you. Friends, hope you understood what we are going to deal with these topics like under Medical Surgical Nursing 1 and Medical Surgical 2 under my channel, that is Veena's Academic Curriculum. So we will be having the combination of theory and the practical sessions, and every week I will be posting the videos related to Medical Surgical Nursing 1 and 2. Please make sure to like my channel, share, subscribe and comment down below. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so you will get the updates, day-to-day updates, or whenever I will be posting the videos, you will get the updates and current information related to nursing field. Take care. See you in next session.